Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today, we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So, the first question is: salinization occurs when the irrigation water accumulated in the soil evaporates, leaving behind salts and minerals. So, what are the effects of salinization on the irrigated land? Option A: it greatly increases the crop production. Option B: it makes some soils impermeable. Option C: it raises the water table. Option D: it fills the air spaces in the soil with water. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B: it makes some soils impermeable. So salinization for a long time on the irrigated land led to soil impermeability. So this topic of soil is important for UPSC prelims exam point of view. So UPSC has asked different questions on soil, like UPSC has asked question on salinization, on types of soil, what is the effect of salinization, and how can we reduce salinization. So you should know all about this topic. So now let us discuss question number second. What is the advantage of zero tillage in agriculture? First, sowing of wheat is possible without burning the residue of previous crop. Second, without the need of nursery of rice saplings, direct planting of paddy seeds in the wet soil is possible. Third, carbon sequestration in the soil is possible. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option D 1, 2 and 3. So open burning of crop residues in the agricultural fields has become an environmental concern in India, particularly during paddy harvesting season. The union government is providing subsidy for happy seeders, zero till seed drill, etc., which can help planting the seeds for next crop without burning the previous crop. So, statement number 1 is correct. In the zero tillage, we are not disturbing the soil and we are not burning the previous crop residue. So that way it could help in carbon sequestration. So statement number 2 should be correct. So answer is option number D 1, 2 and 3. So you should know what do you mean by carbon sequestration and what do you mean by zero tillage. So this concept of tillage has already asked by UPSC in previous years questions. So this question was asked in 2020 prelims exam, and you should know about mulching also, zero tillage, some practices of agriculture, what are the conservation agriculture practices. So you should know all about this from geography and uh, agriculture. So now let us discuss question number third. Which of the following is the chief characteristic of mixed farming? Option A, cultivation of both cash crops and food crops. B, cultivation of two or more crops in the same field. C, rearing of animals and cultivation of crops together. Option D, none of the above. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option C, rearing of animals and cultivation of crops together. So this is meant by mixed farming. So you should know the types of farming, what is mixed farming, what is integrated farming, and uh, what is allelopathy. So these type of questions is has already been asked by UPSC, so you should know about all these basic concepts. So now let us discuss question number 4. Consider the following crops. First, cotton. Second, groundnut. Third, rice. Fourth, wheat. So which of these are kharif crops? Option A, 1 and 4. Option 2, option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1, 2 and 3. Option D, 2, 3 and 4. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option C, 1, 2 and 3. So rice is the main kharif crop and groundnut and cotton are also the kharif crops, while wheat is a rabi crop. So you should know what are kharif crops, what are rabi crops, what are zaid crops. So this topic is, or you can say this theme is really very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. And if you have appeared for if you are appearing for state examinations, state PSCs, then there also this topic of kharif crops and rabi crops is very important. So in recent Haryana PCS HCS examination, this question was asked which one of the following are the kharif crops or which one of the following are rabi crops. So you should know about these crops. This is very basic concept. You can read more about these crops from basic NCERTs and internet. So now let us discuss the final question of this video. So what can be the impact of excessive or inappropriate use of nitrogenous fertilizers in agriculture? First, proliferation of nitrogen fixing microorganisms in soil can occur. Second, increase in the acidity of soil can take place. Third, leaching of nitrate to the groundwater can occur. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 3 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option C, 2 and 3 only. So excessive or inappropriate use of nitrogenous fertilizers increase the acidity of soil and leaching of nitrate to the groundwater. So you should know the conservational practices of Indian agriculture, and you should know what are the impacts of if you use excessive fertilizers in soil and vice versa. So you should know all about basic concepts. So this was the question that is framed from basic concepts of Indian agriculture. So this is all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.